How to fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine cursor AI. Now in this very short video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if you're encountering this error code as a too many free trial accounts used in this machine cursor AI on your operating system or on your PC. So first is to go all the way into your Windows search and then type in run, hit on enter. Now in here what you want to have to do the task is going to be regedit, hit on OK. Now choose on yes if there is an on-screen prompt. So you should see these folders on your end. Now what you want to have to choose is H key local machine and then software. Now hit on anywhere inside this box and then choose on M for you to locate Microsoft. Next is choose on C once again and then go all the way into the option here that says cryptography. So this is going to be the file that you need to delete, which is going to be the machine git. Click that, right click, and then choose on delete. Once you've done this, restart your PC and try to relaunch machine cursor AI once again. And that's it. That's how you fix too many free trial accounts used on this machine cursor AI.